I also think it's important to recognize that while gold and silver have underperformed last week with the big drop in the dollar, you would have assumed a much bigger push. I think this is more about a rate story, which actually long-term is extremely bullish for the metals, even though near-term it is hampering their upside. And again, I think that could give us our great buying opportunity, possibly pushing silver and gold a little bit lower before they bottom out in the cycle. So let's start with gold. And gold is fascinating because last week we saw this mega drop in the dollar, right? Basically dropping from 101.63 on the DXY all the way down to close the week at 99.78. So that is a big drop when we're talking about the US dollar against a basket of currencies. You would have said, oh, well, gold and silver must have ripped higher, right? But then you look at this and you're like, wait, so in those 4 days, when all was said and done, gold was basically flat. Look, down, up, down on gold. Now, most people will look at this and say, well, that's bearish. And I would tend to agree near term, but I think the culprit here is that yields continue to go higher.